4D AI test. Okay, grab a pen for this. Everything we just talked about signal the red flag. I have put into a framework that you can run in any AI feature idea before even it touches your roadmap. I called it 4D AI test. 4 questions. That's it. Let's get into it. Here's the 4D stand for. D1 data, D2 demand, D3 damage, D4 definition. And the 4D AI test is evolved around it. So here's the D1 question. Is there a real pattern in data at a scale? Enough data, consistent data, and data where pattern already exists. If yes, that's the green signal. However, if data is sparse, inconsistent, or having less than 1000 demand, stop. There is nothing here for model to learn. To demand. And here's the question. Is speed or volume general bottleneck today? Not next year. Not it might be one day. Right now, today. Are humans failing to keep up? If yes, that's the green signal. However, if your current process is working fine and you are solving future problem that doesn't exist, that's the red flag. Read image. Now this one most people ignored. If the AI get it wrong, then what happened? Is it a small inconvenience? Fine. Or does it break trust, cost money, create risk? This is the red flag. AI is a probabilistic. It will be wrong sometimes. But the question is, can your product afford that? 4D is definition. And finally, is the definition already clear? Can you define input, output, and a matrix for success? Or is your team still debating what even good looks like? Because if you don't know what success is, AI definitely won't figure out for you. Now, here's the part most people skip. Score yourself. If you get 3 or 4, go ahead. AI probably belongs here. Scope it, resource it, and ship it. If you get 2 or less, pause. Not forever, just for now. Wait until conditions are right. And honestly, this is the difference I have seen between PM ship that AI actually works and PM who quietly shut down their AI feature after 6 months. Now you have the framework, but here's the where it gets tricky. What do you do when leadership is pushing for AI feature, even when it shouldn't be built? That's the upcoming episode. Don't miss it.